Hello, welcome to Career Strategists. Today Civil Services Examination 2022 preliminary examination basically is over now, and hopefully you did well. As every year there is a difficulty level in CSAT is increasing. This year also slightly difficulty level of paper is increased as compared to previous year. So it is very difficult for students to get through CSAT unless they have prepared it well. It is not a matter of choice, but it is a matter of compulsion that every aspirant, those who are looking for giving next year, they have to prepare CSAT well. I am here before you to discuss all those questions which have been asked, and you will see how tricky questions are there. They have been asked in this examination. So it needs a special preparation and a special thought process to solve the questions. Until you are very good in mathematics and reasoning, you will be not able to solve it without any preparation. So if you are very good in maths and reasoning, still you need a lot of time to think over the questions and analyze it well before answering these questions. So let us discuss questions without wasting time. Myself, Arbind Singh, and I am Managing Director of Career Strategists and also visiting faculty of ALSIS. So you must be knowing about me. If you don't know, then don't mind. I'll explain myself through the help of questions. So let us discuss now without wasting time. And today I am going to discuss the questions. First of all, we are going to discuss about the questions related to mental ability, because basically many students are finding themselves in a stuck situation, difficult situations while solving the questions related to mental ability. And thereafter also we will discuss the questions related to comprehension, so-called comprehensions. That is also an analytical reasoning, nothing else, but people generally called it comprehension. So I am also saying the same. This is a comprehension. So let us start today on solving the questions related to mental ability first, and thereafter comprehension too. The mental ability sections will have 8 parts, so there will be definitely 8 videos of short videos I am looking for. So 8 short videos for mental ability and 8 part of comprehensions are there also, so 8 videos for comprehensions as well. Each video of mental ability will conclude 6 to 7 questions, right? And comprehension 3 to 4 questions. You must be knowing that there are 27 questions from the comprehension and 53 questions from the mathematics and reasoning has been asked this year, and total 80 questions are there. So out of those 80 questions, comprehension is also a bit difficult, and mathematics and reasoning is also a variety of questions are there. So let us discuss how to solve the questions one by one, and keep watching. This is paper which has been asked. This is a paper of 2022, and I am going to discuss it very nicely one by one, right? So for first in this is a set A, and in set A there are questions related to comprehension. First 3 questions are from comprehension, and thereafter questions are starting from mental ability. So here is a fourth question from mental ability, and let us start from there only. So this fourth question, how to discuss this fourth question and how to deal with it. So let me explain it. The fourth question which you have seen here, that what is the value of x in the sequence. This is a sequence. A sequence must be in certain pattern. So 20, it is into half, is 10. 10 multiplied by 1 is also 10. Then 10 multiplied by 1.5, that is 1 and half, is 15. And then 15 multiplied by 2, that is 30. Right? So this is what? 15 multiplied by 2, that is 30. then 30 multiplied by 2.5, that is 75. Now because multiplication is half, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, then there must be 3. So 75 multiplied by 3 is 225, and therefore answer is 225. That will be answer of this question. So D will be answer of this question. You have seen here pattern. What is the pattern behind it? Pattern is half, then there is a half, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. Every time 0.5 is going to increase with the multiplier is going to increase by 0.5 with the previous number, and therefore answer is 225 of this question. Now in this question it is given that A, B, C, D, E, F not necessarily in the same order but 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. The number is divisible by 9 after deleting the first digit from the right. The resultant number is divisible by 6 after deleting the 2 digits from the right of original number. And the resultant number is divisible by 5 if deleting 3 digits from the right of the original number. So digits are 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 9. Let us discuss this. If I am going to make it 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. It is a 7-digit number. If I am going to make it a 7-digit number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6 and 7. So the sum of digits must be divisible by 9. It means, and there is another clue which is given that if we delete the number, one number from this, then this number must be divisible by 6. It means there must be even number because a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3. First let us think about this number 9 plus 8, 17 plus 7, 24 plus 5, 29 plus 4, 33, 2, 35 and 36. So whatever the number will be formed, the sum of digit is 36. So number definitely divisible by 9. So whatever number we will make, it is divisible by 9. Now, so 9 after removing the first digit, number must be divisible by 6. So number divisible by 6, it means it must be divisible by 3. So out of 36, if only 9 can be, single digit can be subtracted, then number will be divisible by 3, because 36 minus 9 is 27, and then 27 remaining sum of digits will be 27, and if the sum is 27 then it is divisible by 3. Otherwise if you subtract any of the remaining number, then the sum of digit won't be divisible by 3, and hence this number, remaining number, cannot be divisible by 3 and hence cannot be divisible by 6. So last digit must be 9. This is one clue which is given here. Now the next number, what will be that? After removing 2 digits, the number must be divisible by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the unit place digit is 5 or 0. So here 0 is not there, so this unit place digit must be 5, right? So here 5 must be there. After thinking it, you can conclude it. And here since the number is divisible by 6, so here must be an even number. So 9 is already used, 5 is used, right? And even number 2, 4 or 8 can be there. Either 2, 4 or 8, any one of them can be there, so that this number is divisible by 2, right? Now as it is given that the sum of digit is divisible by 3 if only 3 digit is left, it is given here. See that if the sum is divisible by 3, number is divisible by 3, if 4 right digits are removed from the number, then number must be divisible by 3. And a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digit is divisible by 3. Then now think about it that the remaining number, sum of how much, we have 5 numbers, out of them 3 number must be here in such a way that their sum must be divisible by 3, so that this number is divisible by 3. Out of this number, if you will look for this, 7 and 8 is 15, but these are only 2 numbers. We need 3 such numbers. So 7 plus 4 is 11 and 1 12. This can be possible, otherwise anything else is not possible. 7 plus 2 9. Then these are only two numbers which makes 9. But we need three numbers. So 7, 2 and 1 can be there. But think that these two numbers are also divisible by 2. It means here must be 2. So this must be 2 here and some divisible by 3. It means either 7 would be there or 1 would be there. 7, 1 or 2 can be there. 7 plus 2, 9, 1, 10. No, it is not possible. So here must be 4. Other even number must be there. So 7, 4, 1 or 1, 4, 7 can be there. 7, 4, 1 or 1, 4, 7. It can be there, then only it will be divisible by 3. 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1, 12. This can be in two ways, right? And now this number is divisible by what? 4. If we remove the last 3 digits, then this number is divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if and only if the last 2 digit of the number is divisible by 4. It means here must be either 2, because if you will put 8 here, then 18 cannot be divisible by 4. Even 7 is there, then 78 cannot be divisible by 4. So the only possibility that 2 would be there. So that 12 is divisible by 4, and this 4 numbers, digit number will be divisible by 4. Now what is left? 8 is left. So 8 must be here only, and this number is now like this. And the other pair of number can be there also, because position of 7 and 9 can be there, 8 can be there, 5 can be there, 2 is there, 1 can be here, 7 can be there, 4 can be here, and 1 can be here. So this is also the possibility of making a numbers. Now we have to find which of the following is possible. The question is the sum of 3 middle digit is. Which one of them is possible? Possibility, they are asking for possibility, and possibility of numbers are like which of the question is which of the following is possible value of the sum of middle 3 digit number. So middle 3 digit number is sum of middle 3 digit number can be middle 3 is only middle 3 is this one, and sum of this is 5 plus 2 7 1 8, and that is also a sum, that 7 plus 2 9 5, 9 plus 5 is 14. That is not given in option, but 8 is given in option. So 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8. So 8 will be answer of this question. See how difficult it, how after analysis of sum of middle 3 here, middle 3, sum of middle 3 digit is 1 plus 2 plus 5, that is 8, which is answer. This is the possibility, because there is also another possibility, sum of middle 3 can be also like 7 plus 2 plus 5, that is 5, 14 also. So 14 is also possible, but out of that 8 is given as an answer, so we can write 8 will be the answer of this question. So see how this is, after a lot of thinking and analysis, one can answer this question. So it is really a difficult one. I can say it is not easy that during examination one can solve these questions without a practice. Okay. Now let us discuss next question. Two friends X and Y start running from, they run together 50 meters in same direction, and then X turns right. That started from here, say, and after 50 meters, this is the initial position, say O. X turns right. Right is clockwise sense. So clockwise sense is this. X turns this side and travels 60 meter. And then while Y turns left, left is anti-clockwise, and he travels 40 meter only, right? And then X turn left, left is anti-clockwise, so in this direction, and run 50 meter. And also Y turns right, right is clockwise, so he also turns 50 meter. Now what is the distance between two friends when each other? So this is the final position of Y, this is the final position of X, and the distance between them is this one, this one is the distance, and this one is 40 plus 60, that is 100 meter. So answer is 100 meter of this question. This answer of this question is 100 meter, and I hope you did it. This is an easy question, and one can say this is an easy one. Now, which date of June 2099 among the following is Sunday? This is a good question, and I hope you will do this. Maybe, but because 1st January 2001 was Sunday, Monday, right? This is the fact which I have given in the class, and from 1st January 2001 to 1st January 2099, there are 98 years, in which 98 extra days. There are 24 on account of leap year, there is extra days. Now in January, 1st January is already under calculation, so 30 days of January, in which there are 2 extra days, because after converting them in week. February is a month of 28, in which there is no extra days. March is a month of 31, in which there are 2 extra days. April is the month of 30, in which there is 2 extra days. May in 3 extra days. In May, April 2 extra days, and again May is the month of 31, in which 3 extra days. And June 1st I am going to take it. What is the day on June 1st? Thereafter we will calculate the remaining one. So if you convert them in terms of week, then what will happen? 14 7 are 98, so 0 is extra, they get 7 3 are 21, so 3 extra, 3 plus 2 5, 3 plus 2 5, and 3 8, and 2 8 and 2 10, and 3 13, and 1 14. So no extra days on 1st June. It means on 1st June, June 1 2099 was on Monday. Monday was the day. Right now no extra days, just means Monday will remain Monday. Okay. Now we have to find Sunday. So from Monday 1, June 1 is Monday. So June 7 is on Sunday. So answer is 7 June. After 6 days, 7 June is Sunday. So they are asking on which day there was Sunday. So answer is 7 June. So that is a question from calendar and clock. We had discussed such type of questions during the class. So hopefully you did well and you did it correct. Now let us discuss the next question. A bill of 1840 is paid for denomination of 50 rupees, 20 rupees and 10 rupees notes. 50 notes all are used. Consider the following statements. It means if I say 50 rupees note are X, this 20 rupees note are Y, and 10 rupees note are Z, then X plus Y plus Z must be equal to, total notes must be equal to 50, right? So we can write X plus Y plus Z is equal to 50. Let us write here X plus Y plus Z. Let me write this solution. X plus Y plus Z is equal to 50. This is one equation. And 50x value is 50x plus 20y plus 10z is equal to 1840. This is the value. It means 5x plus 2y plus z is equal to 184. You can say like this, or even no need to simplify, you can use this directly also. Okay, let us see that. So this is second equation. Now after these two equations, we have to check the validity of the remaining things, statements which is given. 25 50 rupees note are used and remaining notes are of 20 and 10. So if 25 notes of 50 rupees are used, remaining 25 are 20 rupees and 10 rupees, then what would be that? As per the question, if 25 50 rupees note are used, then the value of from second 25 notes of 50 rupees are used. So remaining 30 notes are must be used. 25 are used for 20 rupees and 10 rupees. 50 plus 25 plus 20 and this is x is 50, so y plus z must be equal to 25, and this is 20y plus 20z is equal to 1840. If I subtract 20y plus 10z, this is a 10z, so it is a 10z is equal to 1250. If I will subtract, then what will left, right? And this is a y plus z is 25, so 10y plus 10z is equal to 250, right? If I will subtract, then 10y must be equal to how much? 10y must be equal to, this will be 340, and in this case y is equal to 34. Y plus z is 25 here in third equation, y itself is 34, in that case z will be negative, and that is minus 14. So it is not possible. How z can be minus 25 plus 5 and 4, 9. Z can be minus 9. So it is not possible that number of nodes can be negative. So that is why first option is not valid. Not valid. Validity of first one is not valid. Now let us check the second one. If it is given that 35 nodes of 20 are used, the 35 nodes of 20 is 700 and remaining 700. So again from this equation 750x plus 700 plus 10z is equal to 1840. If I can write 50x plus 10z is equal to, if I subtract this, this is 1140. And in this case we can say 550x plus 10z is this equation, and because 35 nodes are used, and therefore x plus z must be equal to what? X plus z must be equal to 15, because 35 nodes of 20 rupees are being used. So remaining 15 nodes are for 50 rupees and 10 rupees. In that case, if I multiply by again 10, then that will be 10x plus 10z is equal to 150. If I would subtract from it, what will happen? Here again see this. If I will subtract 50 minus 10, that is 40x is equal to, if I subtract this is 90, and 10 minus 1 is 9. So x is equal to, that is 99 by 4 is x, which is a fraction, which is not possible. Denominations of nodes cannot be in fraction, so therefore second one is not valid. It is also not valid, right? Now the third one is given that 20 notes of 10 rupees are used and remaining 50 and 20 notes of 10 rupees are used. So what will happen in that case? 20 notes of 10 rupees, that is 50x plus 20y, and 20 notes of 10 rupees become 200 is 1840 in this, and 20 of 10 rupees notes, so x plus y must be equal to 30. This is the equation. So in that case 50x plus 20y, 50x plus 20y must be equal to 1640, or you can say 5x plus 2y is equal to 164. If I multiply this also by 2, then 2x plus 2y is equal to 60, and in this case if you subtract it, 3x must be equal to, what is this, 104, and x is fraction here again, which is not possible. So third is not also valid, and therefore neither 1, neither 2, neither 3 is valid. So here third is not valid, not valid, right now? Validity of third is not. So here all three of them are not valid. If you conclude this during the examination, then you are winner, and this is the answer of this question. So 1, 2, 3 are not correct. None of them are correct. Now the question is here that it is given that another questions. Let us see this. I am going to write this here, 2 to the power 40, 2 to the power 40, 4 to the power 18 can be also written as 4 to the power 18 is 2 square whole to the power 18, that is 2 to the power 36. Also 8 to the power 12 is 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 12 is 2 to the power 36. So these two are equal. The logic is that here that these two are equal. So if two of them are equal, this one is bigger one. So that cannot be a smallest. 2 to the power 40 is bigger than 236. So 2 to the power 40 cannot be a smallest. And 2 to the power 36 are two numbers. So 2 number cannot be smallest. So it means logically third number, this number must be a smallest. No need to calculate. And therefore we can say 3 to the power 21 is less than 4 to the power 18 is equal to 8 to the power 12. And both are less than 2 to the power 40. So 3 to the power 21 is the smallest. I hope you did it right now. Although this is not so simple, it is also a difficult one, not easy to derive within 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. But still, I can keep this question in moderate category. Now again there is a question like here. The digit 1 to 9 are arranged in 3 rows such that a way that each row contains 3 digits, and the number formed in the second row is twice the number formed in the first row, and the number formed in third row is thrice the number formed in first row. Repetition of digits are not allowed, and if only 3 of the 4 digits are 2, 3, 7, 9 allowed in the first row, then how many such combinations are possible? So this is also a very good question. In fact, if this is the first row and there are 3 digit number, so digit must be, because double of there is here, double of there, so 2 times of this number twice there and thrice there also. So it can be possible that if I put a number more than 3, because 1 is not there, either 2, 3, 7 is there, then double of 7 will be 14. So that is not possible at unit place. And 7 3s are 21. So it will be repeated. 1 will come and 1 will be not there. 9 will be if the first place, then 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. And 18 is here digits are 18. All these digits are used. There is no repetition allowed here right now. So if number will repeat, then there is no use. 9 1s are 9. So only 2 or 3 are possible. If 2 can be at unit place, then there will be 4 and 2 will be there, then 4 will be there and 6 will be there. This is the possibility that number is twice and thrice. This is the one possibility I am looking for. 2, 4, 6 is the one possibility. But in that case, 6, 7, 9 is already rejected because multiple of 9 will be something different, 18 and 21. So 7 again, so that will be repeated. So 2, 3 has cyclicity 4, so that is repeated after 4th time. So here we can analyze this. 2 and 3. So 3, 6, 9 can be possible. Now since the first digit row is 2 and 7 other numbers, so this can be 2, 7 or 7, 2. 2, 7, if I write here 2, 7, then 2, 7, 3 and 3 2 is 6, 7 2 is 14, 4 and 2 2 is 4, 1, 5 and now 7 3 is 21, 1 and 2, 7 3 is 21, so 1 carry 2 and 2 3 is 6 and 2, 8. So all the digits are being used here, right now. There is also possibility that if I can write 7 4 1 at this place and 3 4 5 at this place. So another possibility is that if I can write here like number that there is a, let me check it. This is also possibility that if I can put 3 6 9 at first place, 3 6 9 at first place, right, and 27527 because 27, 54, 81, these are the consecutive na. So that is also a possibility, right now. So one possibility is here and another possibility is there. So there are two possibility, and therefore answer of this question is 2. It is very difficult to think over this question during the examination time, and hardly students are able to write answers by doing this. Some of them might guess it, and after guessing this they have given the correct answers. It is a possibility, but by analyzing all these logical sense, it is not a pure mathematics, it is a logical sense which need mathematics as well as logical reasoning to solve this question. So during that it is very difficult, and hopefully you did it. So that's is the in this video, and we will see that in the next video. Next video is just wait, and after break I'll make the next video. Not making a longer video so that a video file will be very large, and therefore a small videos are always good. So I'm making another video thereafter, just after a short while. So thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed this channel, do subscribe it, and also press the bell icon. Myself, Arbind Singh, teaching for last 28 years for civil services aspirants, and hopefully with this explanation you feel good. Thank you very much.